Hi everybody, this is Shauna with Love Meets Cake. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do strawberry cheesecake chimichangas. They are so easy to do. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Let go. Alright, so we're going to start with one 8-ounce pack of cream cheese that's room temperature. And then we're going to beat that together until it's nice and smooth. Next, you can add either 1/4 cup of strawberry Greek yogurt or 1/4 cup of sour cream. I wanted to try the strawberry Greek yogurt because I wanted to add more of a strawberry flavor. So either one is fine. Two tablespoons of white sugar. And a splish splash of lemon juice and vanilla extract. And now we're going to add about a cup of chopped strawberries. Alright, and this is our strawberry cheesecake filling. Next, get some flour tortillas. And we're going to scoop some of the filling onto the tortilla, and then you can watch how I roll it. Now I do want to say this is a struggle roll. I did not roll this burrito good. Well, not burrito, chimichanga. I did not roll this chimichanga good at all. You can probably do way better than me. The second time around, I tried to use a little bit more filling to see if that was going to fix my rolling game, and it sure did not. Struggle. And then make sure you just use a toothpick to hold it together. Let's see if I do it right this time. Nope. I'm going to practice my rolling game so the next video I do, I can roll these a lot better. Next, I'm going to take a bowl, put some white sugar in it and some cinnamon. And then we're going to mix that together so we have our cinnamon sugar coating. Now we're going to fry these in oil for about 2 minutes until golden brown. Alright, so when they're nice golden brown and crispy like this, they are ready to come out. Alright, next, after you take it off the oil, put it on a paper towel so some of the oil comes off, and then you can go ahead and roll it around in your cinnamon sugar coating. Y'all, I bet you didn't know we were at the end of the video. Do you see how easy it was to put these together? Look at that delicious cheesecake filling with the strawberries in it, and then you got the cinnamon sugar coating on the outside. Yo, it was so delicious. Let me know in the comments, what other flavor concoctions can we do a chimichanga in? I know we can do a peaches and cream. You guys tell me, give me some ideas. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, love_meets_cake, and hit that like and subscribe button for more easy recipes. Adios.